In this video today, I'll show you how to get paid for clicking, which is a new method to make money online in this year. This method is not only new, but also completely free and available anywhere in this world. First, let's see you have everything you'll need to make this work. To begin, you'll need a laptop, a tablet, computer, or a smartphone. You'll need access to the internet, and lastly, you'll need to know how to click. If you have all of those three things, you should be able to do this. I also have a special bonus at the end of the video, so make sure you keep watching till the end of the video so you do not miss an important part. And I'll give you a free tool that will place everything on total autopilot so you can earn money passively from these clicks. Before we go further into this video, welcome to this channel where I'll teach you the most up-to-date money online ideas, tricks and tips. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, press the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Hello guys, I'm going to show you how you can make hundreds of dollars with this strategy. I want you to pay real attention to this. As you can see, you can make money out of every clicks you get from this website. So basically, they're going to pay you 20 cents for every click, and I'm going to show you how to get many clicks to make a lots of money from this website right away. As you can see, it has very high conversation rate. Anyone can join. It's very easy to start. You do not have to make any kind of sale. All you have to do is get other people to click on the link so you can make a lot of money. You can make $4 for 20 clicks on your link, and I'm going to show you how to do this. This method is 100% real and very effective. To do this, you need to sign up on this website. So this website is called entireweb.com. We all know Google has billions of visitors every single day. Google does not pay you to get clicks on the website, so this website will pay you a lot of money just to get some visitors on their website. All you have to do is sign up for this website. As you can see, when I click here, it says home, services, SEOs, ad market, affiliate, and many other. So for this method, I'm going to have to click on affiliate. And like I said before, you do not have to sell any kind of product. All you have to do is get other people to click on this website. So when you click on affiliate, it's going to look like this. As you can see here, there's tons of options out there. To do this, to make money on this website, you have to create an account. So I want you to click on this. When you click on this, it's going to look like this. As you can see, you're going to have to put your personal information over here. Your first name, last name, your username, and other information as well, company name. And it's optional, you don't have to do this, but you have to put your country name over here. So I'm gonna put United States, and payouts method, like how you're going to get paid from this website. So you're gonna get paid through PayPal. Very easy to sign up. All you have to do is fill out the form, and when you're done filling out the form, all you have to do is agree to the terms and condition. I want you to click over here and simply click sign up, and it's very easy. Once you sign up, it will take you to the dashboard of this website where you can get the link from this website. So I'm going to show you how you're going to get other people to click on your link and generate a lot of money. So make sure you keep watching this video. So once you get your link from this website, I want you to go on bitly.com. So if you're not familiar with Bitly, basically shorten your link. So I want you to put your affiliate link over here and shorten it. So I want you to copy it over. And what you're gonna do is you want to go to Google Docs. Once you go there, I want you to click on blank page. Once you go there, you're going to look like this. So it's going to be blank, and I want you to type something like that, like better than Google, try entire web for free. And you're going to put your affiliate link over here, and you're going to put something down here as well, like what do you think of this search engine? You can write whatever you want, it does not matter. Once you're done writing this, you're going to save it as PDF file. So I want you to go click over here and click on download and choose as PDF document. The reason I'm going to choose PDF document is it's a better quality. So once you do that, I want you to go to Sideshare.net, where you can upload your file for free. This website is getting over 100 million visitors every single day, so you're going to get a lot of visitors on your post. As you can see, this post has like over 4 million views and also almost 2 million views, 1 million views, and many more. All you have to do is sign up for this website and upload your file over here, so you can get a lot of traffic and you'll get some clicks on your link, and people will click on your link and you'll start to generate a lot of money on this website. So I want you to click on sign up over here. Very easy to sign up on this website. All you have to do is sign up with your Google account over here. Once you sign up on this website, it's going to look like this. So what you want to do is simply click on upload to post your link over here. As you can see, you can drag your PDF file over here, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm going to simply drag it over here. As you can see, it's uploading on this website. What you want to do is you want to change the title. You want to say something like try this search engine for free. You want to type something like that. Also, you want to choose a category over here. So what you want to do is you want to choose as service. Once you do that, you want to change the privacy as well. You want to keep it as public. And on tags, you want to put something like Google. Once you do that, you want to put something in the description. Let's say something like try entire web search engine for free. Once you do that, all you have to do is click on this I'm not a robot. Once you do that, you want to publish your PDF over here. Once it loads, as you can see, it's loaded now. You want to simply click on publish over here to post on this website, and you will get millions of visitors on this website, and you'll get a lot of click on your link. Let's say you get 5,000 clicks on your link, you'll earn about $200 or more like that. And once you get like 20,000 clicks on your link, you'll get $1,000. How amazing is that? It's very simple method. I want you to try this method right now after watching this video. It's very simple and effective. Once you try this method, you'll start to see the result very soon. If you like similar content like this, take a look at my other videos. And if you find it helpful, smash that like button, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, comment down below. I hope to see you in next video. Until then, stay safe.